So, how do we get a girl crawling back, even regretting that she left in the first place? The first thing you want to do is show her that you don't give a shit that she left. In fact, she should believe that you're even happier without her. How do you do this? Use social media, use Instagram. Start posting on your stories, showing how you're working out, you're traveling, you're socializing, you're doing cool stuff, you're happy, you're getting on with your life. When she sees that you're up and happy and proactive, that's going to show her, oh, damn, this guy didn't miss a beat when I walked away from him. That's going to make her second guess herself and think, oh, maybe I shouldn't have left. I have a saying, nothing attracts pussy like pussy. Nothing. So if you want her to come back to you, one of the things that you would be really good to show on your social media, or if she's seeing you around, is that you're interacting with other women. Now, maybe you like this girl and you want to give it a chance and you don't want to go and sleep with anyone else. I'm not telling you to. I'm just saying be social with females and let her know about it, and she'll very often come back running. Women are extremely territorial and competitive with each other. A woman doesn't want to see another woman snatch up her man. So if she's left recently and then she knows that you're being surrounded by women, she's going to come back real quick. The next thing you want to do is never ask her to come back. Never beg, never be needy. When she looks at you, she shouldn't see that you're down because she left. She should see that you're up because she left. Oh, damn, he's having all this fun without me now that I left. So make sure you show her that you don't care, that you're up, and make her believe that you may not even want her back. And perhaps the best tip to have her crawling back to you is becoming an undeniable man. Becoming that 10.0 version of yourself. Most guys out there are average, they're lazy, and they're generally failures. If you get yourself the best body, you start killing it in business or at work, you start being very social and confident, and you elevate your game, then you're going to be, in contrast to all the other guys, you're going to be a top level rare guy. So if she leaves you and you have all your shit together and she starts meeting other men, she's going to be like, wow, all these other guys are so low level compared to this guy that I left. Okay? So you want to make her regret losing hold of a quality guy. So ideally, you want to be that 10.0 version of yourself while she's with you, so that if she leaves, she's going to feel such a huge contrast every time she meets these other men, because these other men don't have their shit together like you do. Now, let's say you didn't really have your shit together while you were with this girl. Well, then now is the time to level up to that 10.0 version of yourself. Start hitting the gym religiously. Clean up your diet. Get shredded. Get jacked. Start killing it in your life in all areas. Get disciplined. Give up all these bad habits. Become a 10.0 man. So then when she looks back at how you're doing, she's not going to see that you're broken because she left. She's going to be like, oh, this guy's like gotten 10 times better than he was a few months ago. And then again, she's going to be like, damn, that's actually a quality dude. Maybe I should go back. So one of the best ways to have a woman regret and then come back is for you to be a top-notch rare guy. That means you're disciplined, you're working hard. You know what I mean. I don't got to tell you, right? You have your body in check, your money in check, your confidence in check, your social confidence in check, your game in check, so that she's like, damn, I gave up something good, and she'll be coming back. So be the 10.0 version of yourself, and women they won't even leave in the first place when you're being that kind of guy. But let's say they do. When they look back, they're going to be like, damn, compared to all these other losers, man, this guy, I made a mistake. I better go back and see if he'll take me back. So in order to get a woman back, make her jealous, make her regret her decision, but never be needy, never ask for her back. You can let her know, hey, I would like you to come back if you want to. Okay, so the door is open, but you're not begging, okay? You're not sitting there and waiting. When she looks at you either in person or over social media, it's very obvious you've moved on. You've moved on. You're not waiting for her. That's important because a woman wants a man who doesn't need her. So you really need to show her, hey, I want you, but I don't need you. And I'm more than okay without you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. This channel has hundreds of videos teaching you how to seduce women through integrity.